wanna try.
Those one which yesterday you never took their photos there.
I didn't.
Okay, you are not there.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I'll try.
We bought them yesterday.
Okay.
You had Airtel and the MTN.
So how do I eat it?
These are called white ants.
I just eat it like that.
No, they are going to be fried.
Yeah.
Konga.
Oh, so there's still.
You can
Really?
eat, you can
They
eat
can
some.
eat it? Oh, okay. Okay. Jimmy, you want to record me?
Oh yeah.
So it's crunchy. I might add a little salt. Tinate. Let me just try this first. Yeah.
White ants. How is it?
It's good. It's hard.
We also make in paste form.
Oh, like
Yeah, they grind it in the machine.
Yeah.
Peanut butter.
Okay. I don't know what you'd say. It tastes like. It tastes like
More or less almost grasshopper also.
Tried
grasshopper.
grasshopper before.
You
Grasshopper
did?
is good, yeah.
I haven't tried yet.
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Kind of tastes like a cereal, I would say. 100%. I'm going to sprinkle some white ants on my chapati just to make it a little bit tastier. Uh-oh. Just a little bit more salt. I don't want to finish all the ones they got from the market. So. It's the white ants. The white ants in the chapati.
Have you ever tasted this before?
No, first time.
What
Yeah.
are you guys doing? Yeah.
I like it. It's a good snack. Yeah, that's what Mingo was telling us. Yeah.